Hello everybody, so today we'll be doing lap 3 as the noise. Also, this is a different mod that I use for like lap 5. Hopefully I won't rage. Whoops, oh god, I messed up there. Okay, so I'm gonna focus now. They changed this part, that's all I know. So it's much easier now. And that's all I have to say. Fair. Lap 4. Okay. Oh, this is new music. And the lap 4 I'm used to. What the fuck? What? Oh, bro, he acts like the egg lap mod snake? That's gonna be a problem. I mean, he doesn't actually, but he doesn't spawn. Okay, good. Okay, I'm gonna not mess up, hopefully. This is banger music, bro. Sonic CD stuff in here. Banger. Yeah, right. Come on, I need to reach lap 5. Where's the noise pointing them? The middle finger. Actually, I know why. Don't resurrect him. That's it. Oh my god. Shut. I forgot Snake existed for a second. Wait, what? That's different what I'm used to. For what I'm used to, I guess. Okay, I'm getting flashbacks from doing this as Pepino. Please don't tell me he's... Yeah, he spawns right there. This is Laugh Hell Hofix man all over again. Oh shoot. Come on. Please. I need to make it to lap 8. Okay. Remember that Snake exists. That's all I need to do. Oh my god, I messed up. No! My god. Anyways, alright. That's how it is. Okay, I was gonna say, watch my brother's, videos, because he's an excellent he's excellent at making videos, and his name is Harder. Oh my god. Oh, phew. Huh? Oh, phew, phew, phew. You gotta make. Wait, what? No, no, no! God dang it. No, I forgot he existed again. Slick. God, come on. I have a peering and everything. Not everything though. Go. No! Didn't get in the box. No. What am I doing? Why does he spawn? Wait, he spawns exactly like. Wait. This is the lapel hopper spawn. What noise? Oh dear. No! Bruh. Come on. Can't I just do it? I forgot how much I hate lap 5. I hate this. Bro, no! What the heck? Where did I download this mod? Bro. Yes! I made it! And pasta never ending. The song didn't change because I think John, as I was saying, because John Ghost just changed. It did Doys, the dead one. Oh my god, why do I keep making that mistake? Come on. See, Rick is the same as John Ghost. Well, I'm not gonna find that out. Okay, yes he does. He is literally a reskin. Oh, no, what? Wait. Oh my god. Pedito. Well, the songs didn't. Oh my god. The song did not change. I think so. Wait, it didn't change. Oh my god, Pedito so fast. Oh my god. Holy Not oh, but oh my god, he is faster than Snake. Oh my god. This. Oh no. I have to make it. Go. I messed up. I won't have time. Look at that clock. Come on, please. Oh, thank God it went into lab 8. Yeah. Santa Claus. Oh, dearie me. Season's greetings. Come on. No! I didn't mean to grab that dude. What am I saying? I think there's only a lap 8, right? It said it. Why am I taunting? I won't have time. I don't have time. Oh. Forgot those existed. Oh dear. What the heck? What the heck? What the heck? Go, go, go. Before you press a peasant. You didn't even put a present right there. It's not really a present though. It's more work. Oh, look at the time. Not like literally. I don't have time. Yes! Let's go! Oh yeah! That was so tiring. Very tiring. Oh my god. Oh yeah, also for some reason this mod, it has a pumpkin. Which this means for some reason it's in the Halloween demo. I mean not Halloween demo, but Halloween update. But that's it. Hope you liked the video. Hope you like my terrible video quality. Why am I saying that? He didn't like it. I'll maybe do like Lappe as Pepino as well. But bye bye. Yeah, that's it. Bye. Bye.